My name is Brian Cox. My wife and I own Canadian Trailer Company, and we specialize in building custom cargo trailers. We're located here in Goderich, Ontario, Canada. Our facility here is about 40,000 square feet, and we can accommodate building 600 trailers a year depending on size. We specialize in bumper pull cargo trailers and go above and beyond the standards to create a gorgeous trailer. What separates us from other competitors is we source a lot better material, and we build them incredibly strong, and they last a lot longer. When it comes to our roofs, we use a one-piece aluminum roof. We have an option to go to a fiberglass roof, which will let the sun in so that if you're not hooked up to your truck and don't have lights in the trailer, it's nice and bright in there just like daytime. You don't have to get a flashlight out when you go inside it to have a look in your toolbox. It makes a really nice, convenient roof. We do so much customization for people. We build everything you can imagine. We pay so much attention to detail in the customization and to make sure that things are exactly right for the customer. If they want a door on the roof, we'll put a door on the roof. We're proud to be a Canadian company, and we employ about 20 workers here on average. Everything is done in-house all the way up the line. We don't source out anything to be built anywhere else. So I'm very lucky to have a good staff like I've got, and proud to be able to build them here in Canada. We find that the mass-produced trailers that are mass-produced in the States are just not the quality of a Canadian trailer, not built for Canadian winters up here especially. That's why we offer a 3-year warranty on ours instead of a 1-year warranty. And the 3-year warranty, it doesn't matter if you're in Newfoundland and you've had it 2.5 years. I'll pay to have it fixed in Newfoundland, and that's the difference.